In this video, I'll show you how to add a label to a card using Trello in N8N, step by step. This is a simple automation task that can save you time whenever you want to update your Trello cards automatically inside a workflow. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more N8N tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. This can be an existing workflow or a new one, depending on what you're building. Once you're in the editor, look over to the Nodes panel. This is where you can search for and add the app or action you need. From the Nodes panel, choose Trello. After selecting Trello, you'll see a list of available actions. Here, choose Add a label to a card. This is the exact operation you need when you want N8N to place a label onto one of your Trello cards automatically. Next, choose the credential you want to use. This tells N8N which Trello account it should connect to, so make sure you select the correct one for the board and workspace you're using. Once your credential is connected, configure what to add. That means setting the label details and making sure the card information is mapped correctly so the action applies to the right Trello card. Double check your settings, then save the node and run the workflow to confirm everything works as expected. And that's it. You've added a label to a Trello card using N8N. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple automation guides.